Hey, Contractor John here today, and I wanted to make a special announcement. We have a new addition to the Contractor John family. Not that one, okay? I'm too old for that. I could be a grandpa, but no more kids. I'm done with that. So what I'm talking about is the Dewalt 735x planer. Yes, brand new addition to the family. Just got it a couple days ago. I was waiting for you guys to open this thing up. I'm so excited. It's like Christmas morning. It's a 735x. I got it from CPO Outlets. I have a link to them down in the comments section. The difference between the Dewalt 735 and the 735x, the 735 is just a planer. The 735x has the in-feed and out-feed tables and an extra set of planer knives, which came in real handy. I actually got this 735x for the same 735 price on a sale from CPO Outlets. So I've been waiting and looking for a while and everything, and I finally found the price and no shipping on top of it. Okay, so I've been waiting and looking and finally found a good deal that I wanted and everything. So we're gonna open this thing up right in front of you guys here today. So let's get going here. Here we go, kids. That's it. That's the new baby. Yeah, unbelievable too. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to take a couple minutes. I'm going to read directions. I'm going to get it set up, and we'll come back to you, and we'll show you this baby working. Hey, we're back again. I got some stuff put together on this thing. I put the outfeed tables on here. Real simple. They got a little push button thing on the side here, and then a lock screw. So that folds up. The back one folds up too, but not all the way because of the dust port. And I put the dust port on in the back, and I put the handle on. That was it. The two outfeed tails, the dust port, and the handle. That's it. And nice little holding place for your little screwdriver thing. Does your handle, pushes the button on the dust port so you can get it, and you don't need it for the tables actually. So that's just a nice little gadget there. So 2-speed and preset depths you could set here and read the instructions for all that stuff. So let me talk to you about the depth and how to set the depth here. You've got a gauge here on the side. If the camera can zoom in on here, you've got a gauge here that lets you kind of get close to what the depth of the wood is. And then you've got here a removal gauge for how much material you're gonna move out, from a 32nd to a 16th, 3/32 to an 1/8 of an inch. That's the max you're going to be taking out off the wood. So the way that you set this up is take your wood that your blank is going to go, that you're put it in about 3 inches in, and then crank your handle down, and you'll see this gauge here start to move when the feeler comes in contact with the wood. There, see it move right there? You can see it, and we're going to go to a 16th of an inch, and we're going to go right there, and then you back this out. All right, now it's set to take off a 16th of an inch when we feed it through. So we're on speed 1. What does it say here? 179 cuts per minute, and this number 2 is 96. So we're on 1, we're a little bit finer, but we're going to go to 2 to get the first couple passes. But you can't switch this until the unit's running. So we're gonna run something through here and see what happens. We're first gonna switch it to number 2 when we get the unit on. So safety glasses and hearing protection, because this is one loud puppy. So here we go. So I think you get the idea. Really, I mean, it took it right down, and it is nice and smooth, and it fed through. There's no sniping whatsoever. The tables really help. I would strongly encourage you, if you're going to buy it, to get the X with the tables on. That keeps it. There's an anti-snipe mechanism built into the unit, but I think the tables help a lot. And I tell you, I've heard and I read a lot of reviews about this unit, and I heard nothing but good things about it. And the ease of setup and the ease of operation now, and the finished product, I mean, this is smooth, is really, really good. So anyway, so that's Contractor John, and bringing you my new baby, the new addition to the Contractor John family. So we'll get a couple projects going, and we'll show you those projects as we get going along here. So have a blessed day.